Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds Xiaomi OpenWear. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds disconnected from your phone, and we can check it in the settings. Right here at the device list, if you have iOS, you will see not connected, and if you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, also meaning that your earbuds are disconnected. After that, you need to put your open the case, and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone automatically. And we can also check it at the device list, so just give a second to this phone. Yeah, and as you can see, we have connection. If you have Android, it will return from Save Devices to My Devices. Now, sometimes it happens that these earbuds don't want to reconnect automatically. I mean, all earbuds, sometimes it happened with them. So try to just stop at your earbuds at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!